Afternoon and welcome to Money Control. I'm Karunya Rao and with me is Manisha Gupta, and today instead of commodities we'll talk cryptos. There's been a 50% dip in commodity trading, cryptocurrency trading volumes. Tell us why is this happening? Why such a low levels of volumes?
So look everywhere around you, Karunya, and we've seen the global volumes decline as well. The month of June was the worst on record when you look at the price decline. So from Bitcoin to Ethereum to Avalanche to Polygon Matic, name any token or cryptocurrency, and we've seen sharp declines on that. From the all-time highs as well, we've seen nearly 50 to 75% of a cut coming for many of them. And for India specifically, it also has been about the taxes.
Yeah.
30% capital gains, 1% TDS, and there is a conversation that a 28% GST is in talks.
Ouch.
Yeah, it is an ouch. It's a double, triple whammy here. So when you look at the numbers as well, between WazirX and CoinDCX, it was 200 million being traded on a single day.
Okay.
Now it's come down to 8 million.
Oh.
I mean, look at the comparison.
Yeah.
I don't think there is a comparison, but that's the kind of pain that you're looking at on Indian exchanges.
But is it a temporary breather, or have crypto traders sort of learnt a lesson in that June volatility that you're talking about, and we could foresee more, downfall and more loss of interest in this asset?
Well, that clearly seems to be the case, as we have various regulators world over talking about this now. And the Indian markets clearly have not had a positive thing to say about it, whether it has been about RBI or the finance ministry or various policy thinkers, policy tanks. None of them really have said much positive about the crypto. So, and with the kind of runoff, the decline that we've seen in crypto, it's become that I told you so movement for many of these. So that really seems to be impacting. There is a lot of pain already into your wallets, the kind of sell-off that we've seen, and especially if you were not holding the better cryptocurrencies, because the smaller ones, altcoins or meme coins, have declined even more.
Absolutely. But will the better ones see some bounce backs? Because I remember Bitcoin also, while it did slide a fair bit, there were some bouts that it was witnessing here and there when there was some buying happening, again only to book those profits, but there was some recovery happening and then followed by a retreat again.
Oh, well, yes. For the longest time, it didn't break 30,000. Then it didn't break 20,000. Now it can't come above 20,000.
Yeah.
So, yes, we are looking at lower lows on the charts there. But that's exactly what you see happen with crypto. Earlier, whenever you have seen a crypto decline, it wasn't accompanied by so many factors as it does now. The kind of participation, the kind of volume that it has seen, and the kind of interest rate hikes, sell-off in various other asset classes. Today, when you're looking at equity markets gaining, you also have seen crypto gain a bit. But the sheer volatility that you see in crypto is something that deters some and then excites others. So it really has both kind of participants.
So where have all the optimists and enthusiasts gone? What are they saying now?
So I do hear some reports on how some people are still buying and some have gone into liquidation as well. We have seen so many layoffs come into this market, but that has been the case with various startups, right? So I single out this one sector. We have seen pain happen across asset classes there. But for crypto is much more because one, it's too... it's a market which is still in infancy, let's say, and not too many takers as well. So there are more problems brewing for crypto than anything else. But yes, as I said, there are reports that people are still buying, but always do buy into proper, solid blockchain projects. Better cryptocurrencies. That is the only way to go into this. Smaller cryptocurrencies, smaller projects. Let's face it, there are nearly 18,000 cryptocurrencies out there. So you really have to know which one you want to be in.
But whatever little action is happening is only happening in the top 2-3 coins.
Top 5, I would say. And it shouldn't be in anywhere else as well, because these are the areas which have proven themselves.
The blue chips of digital assets, as some of them call it. Okay, well, there you have it. An update on what's happening in the crypto markets. We'll be back again tomorrow, same time, and give you an update on commodities universe.